It's 1K Rjay. We back at it again with another video for y'all today. As you can see, just got off work, got the jammer pan on. We got a good video for y'all today. We about to go race tonight in Mexico. You feel me? About to go race tonight in Mexico. I look crazy right now, but fuck it. I got a bunch of niggas I'm about to race. I can't even tell you who I'm about to race because I don't know. Niggas might be scary or niggas really might line that shit up. So right now, we gonna hop in the car and we gonna tap back in with y'all.
A few moments later.
We outside, we at the 240, you already know. Tire flat, every time. So you know we about to get out. Dandy old tire maker, machine pumper. You feel me? We gonna put that joint on there, y'all know what's about to happen. Start pumping him. We about to hit the shop. Well, not the shop, but we about to go to the gas place. My boy Justin, he always keep that 1R on him. So as you can see, we got a quarter tank. So we about to go grab some gas because I know the content shit. The last time I seen the content on my car was like E69. So if we about to race some niggas, we gotta fucking jam. So when we get to the shop, we're gonna tap in with y'all. I got my cans in there. By the way, I get my car detailed tomorrow. Pretty excited about that because as you can see, this shit, it's fucking filthy. But when we get to the shop, we're gonna tap in with y'all, you feel me? See if Justin can fix my car too, because this shit fucking up. Treatment, let me inside. I guess where you got the max solenoid from. We here. Say what's up to the camera, Justin.
No!
He's putting E85 in the car. It's that 1R. Don't hurt yourself, man.
Too old for it.
So let's tell you my problems today. Max solenoid's fucked up. I got another one. But Justin don't want to wire my max solenoid, man. Everybody spam L Justin in the chat. So we're gonna have to figure out who's gonna wire this joint because I need help. So we are about to go to my boy Fern shop. My boy Gio better wire this joint up. And then we gonna get y'all with some poles, you know, some logs, cause I think my shit's cool, but about to put some E in this joint and get back jumping. And now we at the shop. Boy Fern putting on the boost controller. Back joint. Got this guy here. What you gotta say, bruh?
Solid, man. Solid.
Oh, what you gotta say?
It's solid,
How
man.
long have I known you, bruh?
I don't know. Maybe like 5 years since you had the 1 series.
And I blew it up.
Yeah.
Nah, the serpentine belt got
Kirkwood
stuck
Highway.
inside. Damn, we really know each
RT
other.
Tony.
Yeah, I flipped that joint though, and then my shit blew up. Shit happens, bro. Talk to him. Yeah, what you gotta say?
What the fuck, man?
If you ever need
You about to
to
turn
work,
the boost up, man?
it's on 38.
38 pounds.
Yeah. Woo. It's a lot. Yo, if you ever need good work, call Fern. You know, for special guys like me, I get same day service, but y'all gonna have to schedule a fucking appointment.
Anytime RJ calls.
Vlad, shut the fuck up with that shit. Okay.
I'd be like, yo.
Oh, it's right then and there, man.
Help.
Goes to the top. This one goes to the T. Goes to there. It goes down there.
guys. Day in the month. Got the car in tip-top shape. We gonna check in with y'all later. Damn, out of Mexico. But we ready to get y'all some great fucking content. This shit is what I fucking love. 240 back outside. The fuck? You feel me? But nah, real shit though. We get y'all some good content, some good runs. We gonna meet a lot of new people. We gonna catch up with y'all when we get out Philly. Ah! We had to make a gas stop. Getting a couple gallons. I gotta pull up on my boy Chad later for his birthday, but we're probably not gonna get a little bit of that though. But we here. We locked and loaded. It's that fucking time, nigga. That Mac valve fixed. Oh, we in some fucking trouble. No cap. But yeah, I'm ready to go home. Change and shit. We're gonna tap in with y'all later.
6.5 hours later.
Got ready. About to get these runs in. Gonna say a quick prayer. Feel me? Dear God, hope we get home safe. Say a prayer to the gods up top. If the police come, we don't stop. Alright, so it's good. We got the fucking 85 Mexico. Just putting this 1R shit in. You feel me? I'm gonna tap in with niggas when I hop in the V. I gotta keep loading this shit. How much tank I got?
A few minutes later.
I'm ready to check the heat content for this joint, cause bro. So this shit shouldn't be too bad. You feel what I'm saying? All right, so you gotta hit this joint. Then you hit data log. Yeah, E73.
E73?
E72.
Shit.
That time, bro.
You good? Hi. 3, 2, 1. Shit.
Damn, shit won't break up.
Bro, it's tough. Can't get a good lineup. Spin around. Shit moving.
It has its days, bro. Like my car worked when it was. Like shit straight. And my car was just running just fine. It says on E74 ITI shit though.
CD19 got the sauce. Stock turbo sauce.
Of course I can't get a fucking. The car was literally just working, bro.
Feels nasty though.
Unless I gotta turn it up to 38.
Not good?
Fuck no, it's breaking up bad.
Is he coming? Good? One, two! Shit.
Breaking up bad.
Yeah, I know. If only it was working. Fuck. Get that shit.
Alright, Jesus is high. Damn.
Yeah, a few people behind us.
Fuck, man. I gotta read this log. 32, 34, 33, deviation. Like, where the fuck? Well, that's the thing, bro. I'm at fucking, like, I have no timing corrections, bro.
Nothing? It's clean?
Like, nigga, no, I didn't pull no timing, bro.
Shit.
Nigga, my shit keep breaking up, bro.
They keep breaking up?
Yeah, bro, I'm about to tell my boy to me, bro. One of these days. My shit kept breaking up, like, literally, bro. Like, my shit was literally breaking up.
So, do you even get your brakes?
No, not really. Like, nigga, we did like 2-3 runs. We couldn't get no space, and my shit kept breaking up every time.
I have to tune that real quick, or
Bro.
you might put some gas in.
Nigga, I have a fucking quarter tank. I mean, like, I have a half, basically almost a half.
I have a straight 85 though.
Let me see.
Yeah, you think that shit.
It's cold as shit, nigga. Your boost is making crazy.
Is he ready? I'ma just call this shit venting. Hey man, anything I see on this track, don't use it against me. Hear me out.